Hey, curious mind, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To remove nitrite from water, consider using a water filtration system that includes reverse osmosis, ion exchange, or distillation processes. Reverse osmosis is highly effective, reducing nitrite levels by pushing water through a semi-permeable membrane. Ion exchange filters exchange nitrite ions for other ions, often sodium, reducing their concentration. Distillation, heating water to create vapor and then condensing it back into liquid, removes most impurities, including nitrites. Regular maintenance and testing of your water source are also crucial for ensuring safety and effectiveness.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.